Trains have always been a part of my life. There's something about them. The sound of steel on steel, the steady rhythm of movement, the way they connect places, people, and history. My family has always worked on the railroads, an unbroken line of engineers, dispatchers, managers. And me? I work just up the road at the steel mill that forges the very rails that these trains run on.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, all aboard!
But today is not about work. I'm here watching my kid, one of dozens of wide-eyed 5th graders, climbing aboard the Royal Gorge Route train, ready for a ride that for some of them will be just another school trip. But for the lucky ones, the ones paying attention, it'll be something more.
I know. I feel like they're my little ducklings.
Titus!
Right here's the riverside. River, guys. Oh, huh.
Titus!
And this is why we moved here. Not for quiet, not for comfort, definitely not for the easy life. We came for this. The wild, the history, the adventure. And this canyon, it delivers.
Hey guys, let's see who can see the big one. Let's see who can spot him first, okay?
All along here is the water line. Canon City was actually the very first city before it even became a state that ever had running water in their home because of the 7 to 8 mile water line.
For over a century, these rails have carried fortunes in silver and supplies, fed mining booms and busts, and witnessed railroad wars fought with dynamite and Winchesters. Today it carries school kids with jittery energy, but the bones of history are still here, underfoot, baked into the rock. They'll learn facts about how steel and steam conquered this gorge and how bighorn sheep can climb where no human dares. But what they'll really remember is how it felt. The sound of the locomotive echoing off rock walls, the way the sun turned the river to gold, the simple, pure joy of being here. Today is a perfect February day. Bright, warm, the kind of weather that makes you forget winter even exists. The kids lean over the railing, soaking in the rush of wind, the smell of the river, the sheer size of the canyon. They don't know it yet, but this is what adventure feels like.
Oh, you're not scared anymore. You're not scared anymore.
Trains have always been a part of my life. They're how we built this country, how we moved west, how we connected wild places to civilization. And today, they're how my kid and his classmates saw their home from a new perspective. This trip wasn't even about history. It was about adventure. The kind that sticks with you. The kind that makes you want to see more, do more, go further.
Teddy Roosevelt, 1905. Right here where you're standing. That's where he stood. This is where he stopped to see the achievement of the hanging bridge. He brought his cabinets from Washington.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you for saying that.
You bet.
It's a Yoda key! Wait, where did Layla
Field trips like this, they're about feeling small in the best way. About standing in a place that existed long before you and will exist long after. They're about perspective. And these kids, they don't care that they're in the middle of something extraordinary. Not yet, but they will. Years from now, when they've traded backpacks for jobs and responsibility, they'll remember this. This train, this canyon, this perfect day.
Hey you guys, how do you think they got the first cable across to that bridge? That's a good guess. What about a can? All right. So let me tell you, we're too smart guys to deal with. So all they did was each person on each side lowered down the rope. They tied it together. Opened up the not here. Right. So there are people on this side.